I just found a proper wicked YouTube channel. They only post 2 videos a week and is already pulled in 400 million views. Crazy. And one video on its own has done more than 40 million views. Mad, innit? And there is another upload from 7 months ago that's already on 6.5 million views. I run my own network of anonymous automated channels, faceless channels basically. And I've been doing this for over 4 years now. You can see it on this channel. I have loads of monetized channel, and from what I've seen, 400 million views on a channel like this works out to roughly 950,000 euros in revenue. And the craziest part, you can also make this same type of video entirely with free AI tools. And don't worry, it is monetizable. And if you're wondering how this kind of channel could get results like this, relax. I'm going to show you every single thing step by step. How to create these videos from A to Z and get them monetized, even though they are made entirely with free AI tools. So, alright, so we are right now on my computer, and the first tool we are going to use is ChatGPT. So, the first thing is to click login, and you get this window right here. So now we are going to copy and paste prompts. You'll find the prompt in the description of this video, right? So just right click and paste it, and the prompt is, can you explain to me how Rolex watches are made? Nothing more, nothing less. I hit send, and instantly ChatGPT gives me a full breakdown explaining how Rolex watches are made. Perfect. Now we need to organize and structure all of that a bit. Okay, for that we are going to use another prompt. Here it is. I want to turn this into a video. Can you create a script based on this manufacturing process? This script should be split into around 10 numbered scenes. And here is the important part. I'm asking that each scene has a voiceover in French. I chose to make the video in French because I speak French. If you don't know, I'm a French guy, right? And I'm gonna make the video in French, but you can just click English here. Choose not to enter any language because it's definitely going to bring it in English if you don't precise, right? And I also ask it to give me an English prompt to generate visuals using AI image generator. I send a prompt, and instantly I get scene 1, a title, a short description, and then the voiceover text. That's basically what's gonna be said in the video. Okay, so then underneath the prompt, that's what we are going to use to generate an image that matches what the voiceover is saying, right? So we got same thing for scene 2, same thing for scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, and so on. Basically, this gives us the whole skeleton of our video. Now let's go and create the actual voiceover. For that, we are going to use 11 Labs. You already know this platform, and honestly one of the best tool ever in this space. So go ahead and log in, and you land on this interface. So what we're gonna do is just to go here to text to speech, and this window pops up. It's really simple. Okay, so go back to ChatGPT and select the voiceover text, copy it and paste it here, and then repeat the process for every scene of the video. Do you understand? All right, so once that's done, you should have something pretty similar to this. Now you just need to check that there aren't any small mistake or typos. Okay, if everything looks good, you can just choose a voice from all the options they give you. There are loads. Okay, you can even clone your own voice if you want, so it sounds like you. Most people will not do this. They don't have the needed. Okay, so for now we're gonna pick the voice called George, for example, and you can tweak a few settings. I recommend doing a couple of quick tests so you can see the one you should use. Then when you finish, generate speech, and it only took a few seconds, and let's listen to see the result together.
Lex fabrique ses propres alliages d'or, d'acier et de platine,
Alright, so that's perfect. The voiceover sound clean, and I'll save it in the folder. Now we are moving to creating the visuals. Okay, so here we are going to use another AI tool called Deep AI. It's really good for beginners and it's free. Okay, so how does it work? Super simple. Go back to ChatGPT conversation and remember that prompts I told you to not worry too much about. Well, we're just going to copy it and paste it in here. Choose image and click create image. And as you can see, this is the kind of image it generates. I don't know what you think about it, but honestly, it took few seconds to create and to have this result. So the quality is insane as it is free. So what we're gonna do is to download these images, put them in a folder, and now we are moving to the next part, which is voice over. So we download these images, put them in a folder, and now that we have our voiceover and our images, now it's time to the biggest part, which is the next step. turn the images into an actual video, okay, like animate them. And for that, we are going to use a super powerful tool. And so for this part, we are going to use clean AI, okay. So we click on try it now, and we land on this interface. On the left hand side, we go straight to video, and this is where we are going to upload one of the visuals we created earlier, okay. So once the image is uploaded, you can add a prompt underneath if you want, but honestly it's not necessary. We are just to click generate, and here's the result that came out. To be honest, the quality is mad, not bad, man. It's crazy. And to think none of this actually exists, it was created in few seconds with tools that are basically free, is exceptional, bro. A few years ago, all of this would be completely impossible. We are literally living through a real revolution right now. Now, how do we download everything? Super simple. Bottom right corner, there's a little button, click it, and it will download straight to your computer. Now, for the final step, putting everything together, okay. For that, we are going to use a software that works on every platform, CapCut. You already know it. We go to the website and we download it if you don't have it. Once CapCut is open, the first thing is to drag in all the files we created earlier. Then we drag them on what's called a timeline at the bottom, and we import our visuals. Once the visuals are in, we import the voiceover. Now we just make sure the voiceover lines up properly with the clips we created. Everything has to match perfectly. When we talk about brand, for example, we need to show a big shot of the shop front. All right. When we talk about how the watches are made, or that we need to show the machines, the tool, the whole manufacturing process. Okay. Now for the final step, is everything looks good for you. You just check everything, everything's good. Go to menu, file, export. Make sure it's 30 fps and 1080p. I think that's more than enough. Then we simply click export. Now if you want to know how much YouTube paid me for 15 days after monetizing a USA short channel, as I'm seeing right now on my screen, and the downside, the secret of short monetization, click this video right here.